Nightlock Lockdown Door Barricade devices provide an extra layer of physical security during shelter-in-place events. You simply engage the red locking handle into the door plate. The red locking handle is stored in a wall box, which should be mounted next to the door. It is recommended that the wall box placement is consistent throughout your facility, so staff and students always know where to locate the red locking handle. As soon as a lockdown is announced, the door needs to be barricaded. Also, deploy the door window shade to block the view into the classroom. Position your occupants in the safest part of the room, away from the door and out of any line of sight. Both the Lockdown 1 and Lockdown 2 devices are easy to use. Some schools will have a combination of both styles. The Lockdown 1, when inserted into the door plate, engages with the floor plate to complete the locking process. The Lockdown 2, when inserted into the door plate, engages with the metal door frame to complete the locking process. During an active lockdown event, do not open the door for anyone. The police or other authorities will release the door lock when the threat is over. While in the lockdown position, the device keeps intruders out, but the red locking handle is always removable and not locked from the inside of the room. If you need to exit quickly, simply lift the red locking handle out to evacuate the room. Practice makes perfect. Your school will have a lockdown protocol that incorporates all aspects of emergency lockdown safety and use of the Nightlock Door Barricade devices. All staff and students should be trained and familiar with how to operate the devices, ensuring confidence so that they are comfortable using them during a stressful situation. Practice using the Nightlock devices during all lockdown drills. Nightlock also provides Nightlock window safety shades to block the view into classrooms and offices.